Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
And all my dear friends. Good morning. I would like to introduce myself. My name is Divanshi Lore. I live in Sahara in Baitul. I presently study in BSc first year Maths Group with GH College in Baitul. I want to become a successful person. My hobbies are dancing and reading. Now I come into my family. There are 4 members in my family. My parents, my sibling, and me. My father's name is Mr. Kaniyalal Lore. He is a farmer. My mother's name is Mrs. Rekha Lore. She is a housewife. My brother's name is Himanshu Lore. He is a student of PPT College in Itarsi. Thank you very much for listening.
Okay. So hello, Divanshi.
Hello, sir.
How are you?
I am great. And you, sir?
I am also great. So today I would like to ask you some questions.
Yes, sir.
Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Are you feeling comfortable today?
Yes, sir. I am comfortable.
Okay. So what's your name?
My name is Divanshi Lore.
Where do you live?
I live in Sahara.
How many members are there in your family?
There are 4 members in my family.
What's your father?
My father is a farmer.
And what's your mother?
My mother is a housewife.
Okay. How many siblings do you have?
I have a 1 sibling.
Fine. What do you want to become?
I want to become a successful person.
Well, means you want to live a good life. That's why.
Yes.
Basically. Yeah. What are your hobbies?
My hobbies are dancing and study.
Dancing and study.
Study.
Okay. So how much time do you give for your study?
I give 2 hours.
2 hours every day. Okay. So do you practice dance
Yes.
every day?
No, every day.
So what kind of dance do you like?
I like most dance.
But what kind of dance? Classical, contemporary,
All.
all type of dance you like. Okay. Do you take breakfast every day?
No, I did not take breakfast every day.
Okay. So you don't take breakfast every day.
No.
But someday you take breakfast.
Yes,
Sometimes.
yes.
So who prepares breakfast for you?
My mother prepares breakfast for me.
Do you take lunch daily?
Yes, I take lunch daily.
What do you generally take in lunch?
I generally take in lunch vegetables and chapati.
Okay. Who prepares lunch for you?
My mother prepares lunch for me.
And you do not help your mother?
Yes, I help for my mother.
Okay. So you help in preparing vegetable or chapati?
Yes.
What? Vegetable or chapati? Both?
Yes.
Both. Okay. What o'clock do you take lunch?
I take lunch in 1 o'clock.
At 1 o'clock. Okay. What do you like to take in lunch?
I take in lunch. I like taking lunch vegetables and chapati.
Okay. And what o'clock do you generally take lunch?
I generally take lunch in 1 o'clock.
At 1 p.m. Okay. Do you take dessert after lunch?
No, I did not take a dessert in lunch.
Dessert. You don't like sweets?
Yes, I don't like.
Yeah. How many chapatis do you eat in lunch?
I eat in lunch 2 chapatis.
Two. Do you like rice or chapati more?
Yes, I like most chapati and rice more.
Rice. Do you wash your hands before you eat?
Yes, I wash my hand before lunch.
Do you eat fruits daily?
No, I did not eat fruits daily.
Which is your favorite fruit?
My favorite fruit is nothing.
Nothing. Okay, no fruit you like. Banana?
No.
No. Okay, do you go for a morning walk?
No, I did not go for morning walk.
Do not go, okay. Do you like to do exercise?
Yes, I like exercise.
Okay. Which is your favorite game?
My favorite game is Ludo.
Ludo. So why do you like Ludo?
It's minded game.
It's a game of mind, that's why. Okay, do you like to watch TV?
Yes, I like watch TV.
What do you watch more on TV?
I more watch TV in serials.
When do you watch TV?
I watch TV at 6 o'clock.
Okay. Who is your favorite actor and actress?
My favorite actor is Ram Charan and actress is Shraddha Kapoor.
Which is your favorite movie?
My favorite movie is CM Bharat.
Okay. What types of movies do you like most?
South movies is like most.
In South movies, comedy or action?
Action movies.
Action movies. They are also comedy. Like this. Okay. Which movie has inspired you most?
A Genius movie I inspired.
Inspired you most. Yeah, right. So, do you like to celebrate the festivals?
Yes, I like celebrate festivals.
Which festivals do you like most?
I like most Holi festival.
Holi. Okay. So, I want to ask you, are you a hygienic person?
Yes, I am hygienic person. Hygienic?
Do you take bath every day?
Yes, I take bath every day.
Okay. Which soap do you use?
I use in Dove soap.
Dove soap. Okay. In winter season, it is good. Right. What o'clock do you take bath every day?
I take bath 7 o'clock every day.
Do you help your mother in household work?
Yes, I help my mother in household work.
Okay, do you love your country?
Yes, I love my country.
Which country do you belong to?
India country I belong.
Okay, so tell me something about your country.
My country is very beautiful and
Yeah. How many states are there in your country?
28 districts.
20. And how many union territories? Union territories? 7, 8, 9?
Eight.
9 union territories
Nine.
there. And tell me, what is the capital of your country?
Delhi is capital. New Delhi.
Delhi. Okay. So is Delhi polluted city or pollution less city?
Pollution city.
Polluted city. Okay. So these days there is so much pollution, air pollution, right? Okay. So these days there is strike going on. You know that farmers strike is going on in Delhi. Do you know farmers strike? No. Okay. Tell me something. Which state do you belong to?
I belong to MP.
MP state. What is the capital of MP?
Bhopal.
Bhopal is the capital of MP. And who is CM of MP?
Shivraj Singh Chauhan.
Okay. And which district do you belong to?
Baitul district I belong to.
You belong to Baitul district. Okay. So tell me, who is member of parliament in Baitul?
Something.
Member of parliament. What is the name of member? Sansad. Do you know? No. Uike. Mr. Uike? Durgadas Uike. I think. You are right. And who is MLA of Baitul? Daga. Nilay Daga. Yeah, right. And tell me, what is famous? What is your city? What is your district famous for?
Balajipuram.
So Balajipuram is very famous.
Yes.
Apart from Balajipuram, what is famous in Baitul district? In Baitul district, not in city. Muktagiri, Salbardi.
Yes, sir.
So these are famous places, right? Bhopali also. Okay. And are you from village? Are you
Yes.
from village? Which village?
Sehra village.
Sehra. So tell me something about your village.
My village name is Sehra. Is a very beautiful village and its population is 5,000 villagers. So very intelligent villagers belong to my village and.
How many schools are there?
3 schools.
There are 3 schools.
There are 3 schools in my village.
And what is the condition of roads?
Very well.
Very well.
Very well.
Okay, so it is well developed village.
Yes. Very
Okay, so Divanshi, nice talking to you.
Same to you and thank you very much.
Good job.